Today we're going to be talking about every detailer's favorite interior cleaner, P&S Xpress interior cleaner. Whether you're a professional detail shop or whether you're just somebody at home looking to keep your vehicle clean, we're going to show you how to use the P&S interior cleaner, what to use it on. Today we're going to be working on my truck. As you can tell, my son's got this door panel looking pretty rough. I think he tries to kick his way out of there every time he goes in. We're going to spritz the door panel down so that way this has got a second to kind of dwell on there and kind of loosen some stuff up. A couple different ways we can approach it after that. If you have a boar's hair detail brush, you can use that on all the cracks and crevices. One of my favorite is to use a little microfiber applicator. That way it's not soaking up a ton of the product, but it's still something very nice to scrub with. I'm going to have two clean towels. One of them is going to be for the damp product. One of them is just going to be to kind of give it the final buff. With this product, it is more just a cleaner, so it's not going to leave any kind of shiny, greasy protectant behind, which that's what a lot of people like. If you do want something that's going to leave some shine, we'll make sure we link in the video more of a protectant that you can put on after you got it cleaned up. And with this cleaner, it does actually have a pretty good foaming agent in it, so it will kind of help lift up some of that dirt. But essentially now all we're trying to do is just break up some of the loose stuff, and then we'll use our towel to pick it up here in a minute. Go around all the edges first. We're going to get down in that door pocket where he left a bunch of trash in there. And then in kind of the cracks, the way we do it, on a normal basis is we're going to use compressed air to go in these cracks, but just for this, we're going to use the boar's hairs brush to kind of get down in those areas that microfiber is not really getting into. And then on the speaker grills, I'm just kind of at the end, since we have air, that's what we normally do. I'm going to blow those out because you're not really going to be able to get into those little pores unless you're spending all day scrubbing with the brush. So you'll kind of see right now, again, since this doesn't have any shiny protectants in it, that when this dries, it's going to be more of just a cleaned finish as opposed to like a greasy dressed finish, as some people might complain about. And if there's any areas that still have a little bit stuck on there, this might be a little controversial. We've used it for years, never had a problem. This is just going to be more of a magic eraser. This is the Amazon knockoff. If there's an area that needs a little extra scrubbing, just a little light dab with that magic eraser, that won't hurt that at all. Okay, I'll kind of let that dry off so that way you can kind of see what it looks like when it's fully dried. You'll see this turned out really nice. If you're looking for something that's got a little bit more shine, watch our video on Shine All on the top there. If you're looking for more of a natural finish, something that's more of an all-in-one product, check out the P&S Swift video on the bottom. If you got any questions at all, let us know. Thanks for watching.